Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp. This video is not available because something is wrong with the video file. Now tap and hold WhatsApp app and then click on the icon. Scroll down. Click on storage option and click on clear cache and go back. Here the option for stop, click on it, then click on OK and go back your home screen. Now open your Play Store application, click on search bar. Here search WhatsApp. Now update your WhatsApp app if it is available to update. Now open your WhatsApp application, choose any contact and click on his name. Now click on camera icon. Record it here any video. And send it. Now we can see here hopefully solved your problem. Thank you.